Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So we are going to be making another recipe from the blog today. These are raw vegan chocolate peanut butter donuts, and they are super rich and super delicious, but also very healthy, and they use only whole food plant ingredients. The texture of these donuts is really dense and rich, so it's more like a brownie than a fluffy donut, but seriously, if you have a chocolate craving, guys, then a couple bites of these donuts is going to completely satisfy it in a healthy way. So I think most people are really going to like this one, and it's very simple to make, so let's go do that. In a blender or food processor, add almonds, shredded coconuts, buckwheat groats, and cocoa powder. Blend this all up until it reaches a very fine, soft ground texture. Now add in some dates. This is going to sweeten the batter and make it sticky enough to form into donuts. Now, depending on what kind of machine you're using, you're either going to want to soak these dates for a little while to make them easier to blend, and that's what I did. But if you have a pretty sturdy food processor, you can probably just skip the soaking and add them in dry. And simply form the batter into a ball, flatten, poke a hole through the middle, and there you go. And if I had made each donut just a little bit smaller, I would have ended up with 5 equal-sized ones. And so in the end, we ended up with a tiny little baby donut and 4 larger ones, but that's okay. You can warm up some peanut butter on the stove or in a microwave and drizzle that on top. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you make it, feel welcome to tag me on Instagram at SavvyVegan. If you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can hop on over to our website and check out our weight loss meal plans that are 50% off right now, our free starter guide, recipes, and articles. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.